If you've ever tried ranking a review page and realized you were already too late, this video is for you. Most affiliates publish after a product launch peaks. By then, Google is crowded, YouTube is saturated, and the money is gone. Today, I'm reviewing Launch Jacking Secrets, a strategy-focused ebook that shows how to rank early, capture buyer intent, and profit before the competition shows up. Stick around because I'll also show you how to get a massive bonus stock that makes this way more valuable than buying it alone. Here's the quick truth. Launch Jacking Secrets is not a shiny tool. It's not a push-button system, and it doesn't promise overnight income. What it does deliver is a clear, ethical, repeatable SEO system for profiting from product launches using timing and intent. If you want shortcuts, this isn't it. If you want a method that actually works in 2025, keep watching. Launch Jacking Secrets is a step-by-step ebook that teaches you how to take advantage of launch traffic. When a new product launches, people rush to Google searching things like product name review, pricing, demo, discount. Is it worth it? The problem is there aren't many good pages answering those questions early. This ebook shows you how to publish before demand peaks, match buyer intent, and update your page as real details come out. It's designed for affiliate marketers, SEO-focused creators, beginners with limited time, anyone tired of chasing competitive keywords too late. And it directly solves the objection. I don't know what to publish, when to publish it, or how to rank without backlinks. Once you open Launch Jacking Secrets, you're guided through a simple workflow. First, you learn how to spot a launch worth promoting instead of wasting time on low-demand offers. Next, it shows how to validate interest using Google Trends, YouTube search, and real buyer questions. Then you build a keyword cluster around high-intent terms like review, pricing, alternatives, and comparisons. You're given a clean page structure that includes SEO-friendly headings, FAQs, trust-building sections, and a clear update plan for launch week. There's also guidance on indexing fast using Google Search Console and improving CTR with better titles and descriptions. No fluff, no filler, just execution. This is sold primarily as an ebook style guide, which is actually a plus. You can scan it quickly, follow the checklist, and implement without sitting through hours of video. If there are optional upgrades available during checkout, they're usually focused on additional resources or templates, not required tools. The core value is in the process, not the upsells. This is where things get interesting. When you grab Launch Jacking Secrets through the link below, you also get exclusive app verdict bonuses designed to help you rank, convert, and scale faster. Here are just 10 of them. Bonus 1, WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your site and reduce bounce rate, which directly helps SEO and conversions. Bonus 2, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find buyer keywords across Google, YouTube, Amazon, and more. Bonus 3, Article Analyzer. Optimize your review pages for better rankings without guesswork. Bonus 4, WP Profit Page Creator. Create SEO-friendly money pages fast. Bonus 5, WP Headline Pro. Write headlines that increase clicks and CTR. Bonus 6, Opt-in Monster. Capture leads with high-converting opt-in forms. Bonus 7, PowerList Pro. Build and segment email lists using smart pop-ups. Bonus 8, Backlinks Warrior Software. Find relevant backlink opportunities to protect rankings long-term. Bonus 9, Affiliate Marketing Thrive. A full training series to sharpen your affiliate strategy. Bonus 10, Speedy Content Publishing Tips. Publish faster without sacrificing quality. And that's only a small part of the full bonus stock. Remember, you get all bonuses free when you use the link below. Launch Jacking Secrets works because it's built on timing, intent, and trust. It doesn't rely on loopholes. It doesn't depend on authority sites, and it still works for new websites targeting long-tail launch keywords. If you want a method you can reuse again and again, this is worth picking up. Just keep in mind, the app verdict bonuses are limited and may expire soon or be capped to a certain number of buyers. Once they're gone, they're gone. So here's what to do next. Click the link below this video, secure your copy of Launch Jacking Secrets, and unlock the full app verdict bonus stack instantly. After purchase, your bonuses will be delivered exactly as shown on the bonus page. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest affiliate reviews, and drop a comment if you want help choosing your first launch to promote. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.